was cool. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey you guys, so today I will be doing a very detailed wig install featuring this beautiful braided wig from Braids Queen Official. If you want to see it, then keep on watching. So right here I'm just showing you guys how very detailed the wig looks, and just look how gorgeous it is. So right here I'm just going to be placing the wig on my head to see where I want it to lay, and off tops this wig looks very natural and I haven't done anything to it yet. So right here I'm going in with my Got to Be Free spray so that I can lay down this cap and protect my edges. So right here I'm just blow drying the cap on cool heat so that it can dry faster. And before I cut off any excess cap, I want to ensure that the cap is completely dry to avoid any lifting. So when you're working with a braided wig, obviously the parts are exposed, and to get the most natural look, I feel like you would need to go in with a foundation your closest to your skin color. It's also important to go as far back with the makeup on the cap as possible so that no light parts are exposed through the parts on the wig. Now that that is all done, I'm going to go in with a little pair of scissors and cut as close up to my hairline as possible. I'm going to try to get all of the excess cap off. So right here I'm just cleaning my hairline with 91% alcohol, and as you guys can see, when I place the wig down, it is a huge difference from when I placed the wig down the first time when the wig cap didn't have makeup over it. So right here you can see the cap kind of mimics a scalp in a way, if that makes sense. So off camera I did cut off the lace. And when you cut off the lace, you don't want to cut in a straight line. You kind of want to go in a zigzag motion so that the lace appears more natural against your skin. So to glue down this wig, I'm going to be using a combination of the Ghost Bond lace glue and the Got to Be Free spray. Now I don't want this wig to stay on for too long, so I'm going to go in just with one thin layer of the Ghost Bond. Before placing the wig down, make sure that the glue is clear and no longer white. So from here on out, I feel like the video is self-explanatory. I'll just be fixing up a couple parts on the wig, doing the baby hairs and so on. So I will pop back at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys a little later. So right here, I planned on giving a little review, but when I was editing, I heard my parents arguing in the background, and I figured you guys didn't want to hear that, so here I am. So right here, I'm just saying how awesome and beautiful the wig looks. Like, this is by far the most beautiful wig I've ever seen as far as braided wigs, and the most natural. If you guys seen in person, the parts look so realistic. It was crazy. So I got this hair from Braids Queen Official on Instagram. I will link their information down in the description box, and yeah, make sure you guys go check them out. They have very good prices, very affordable. These type of braids come in different colors as well. I believe it comes in 1B and I believe this color.